Look what Clara's found. Mummy. Whose dinner do you think that is?
Today we're exploring RSPB Middleton Lakes in Staffordshire. It's the perfect place for a family-friendly nature adventure in the Midlands. We began our adventure on the fabulous Meadow Trail, which had something for everyone to enjoy. Michelle and I enjoyed the Birdsong here and compared notes on our latest Merlin app lists.
Rolling. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, this is cool. I like this. This is pretty nice. I like it. Oh yeah, creating a song for nature. Very nice.
Well, the kids enjoyed the freedom to run, slide, make dens, and to discover nature along the way.
Now then, Alex, who do you think has been there? Can you point to it for me? Who do you think's been scratching there? Who do you think's been scratching there?
It must be a scratching rabbit.
Do you think it could be a rabbit? It could be a rabbit. Yeah, could be. It could be, Alex.
Mummy, look, there's a fly.
Oh,
And is it
oh, that's a big fly. Yeah, it is, yeah.
It's dead.
It's not dead. I think it's just sleeping. I think it's just sitting there.
It was lovely to find such a great place for them to explore. On such a warm day, it was lovely to be able to take cover under the shade of the trees along the Woodland Trail. We crossed over the Birmingham and Fazeley Canal for a glimpse of the rest of this reserve.
It's good. Show us the way then. Show us the way. Hang on, look at this. Look what Clara's found.
Mummy.
Whose dinner do you think that is? Could I have the other bit to it, Owen? Come and have a look. You're filming, aren't you, Alex?
Not really.
Right. Oh, look, there we go. Look what we found. Look. Yeah, whose dinner do you think that was?
We found someone had been snacking here on these lovely duck mussels. A clue that this could be a picnic spot for the otters that live around here.
I've been eating a ghost. Alex says maybe it could be a ghost.
There's a bird.
Oh yeah, where? Oh yeah, down there. There is a bird having a bath down there.
Further upstream, we enjoyed seeing lots of butterflies fluttering around above us too.
It's a bit of a battered one, that one. Oh, the dragonfly again. It's just too fast for me though. Too fast for me. Lovely, I like that one. I think I ought to have that one.
Big caterpillars and tiny caterpillars.
Oh, brilliant. Don't touch them though, will you?
I will.
Good boy, well done.
Before we left, I got to take another look at these glorious Cinnabar caterpillars feasting on this ragwort right next to the car park.
So these Cinnabar caterpillars will turn into a beautiful red and black creature. Don't touch them.
Why are they?
I'm not sure how noxious they are.
Why are they?
So, Middleton Lakes, definite winner, and the kids have absolutely loved it. I, however, am going to come back. Woo! Got my monopod stuck in the bridge, of course. I, however, am going to come back without the kids. Love them though I do, because there's definitely more I want to explore here. Auntie Michelle has said I can crash at theirs, so I could come and do an early morning here if you'd like to catch that video very soon, particularly for some of the bird life. Make sure you're subscribed down below and you can come join me.